Hi friends, the market have been bit volatile since yesterday, or rather we can say that it has fallen down a bit. So if you actually see, it has almost fallen by 0.7%. So the reason for this is nothing. I mean, there's been just an profit booking which is actually happening, because if you see the day chart, I mean, for the last 10 or 15 days, you can see, I mean, it has continuously grown over 8.5%. So definitely there will be a profit booking for sure. And even if you look into the FIs and DIs data, yesterday have been the highest purchase ever for the FIs and DIs both. Especially for the FIs, this has been the highest purchase ever for the last 30 to 40 days, because there have been a conflict between who will be winning the election. So for that reason, FIs doesn't like when the government changes. So since the government has been stable, which is BJP, so they are willing to invest more into India, and definitely there be a highest growth potential which is gonna happen ever since. So if you look into this chart from the 3rd of June, you could actually see for the last 10 to 15 days, 19th June itself was the highest purchase ever for the FIs as well as for the DIs. Yes, even for the DIs, this has been the highest purchase. So even if FIs and DIs has been aggressively investing in this, so definitely there is nothing much to worry about that. And for no reason, the market might fall down for the 5 to 10%. And you need to keep or insert that thing in your head that this will happen. And when that happens, you actually need to invest even further rather than getting panic and selling that off. And that's how you will be making more of profits in the share market rather than investing in the growing market. Okay.